Alright, Colton Matthews here with JTAC. Today we're going to be removing the battery out of an old airport tug. Right there, we're going to remove it and do a capacitance test out of vehicle. To do this, you're going to need a socket of the correct size, a ratchet or wrench, a capacitance tester, and of course, your battery. Now to do this, grab your sockets, match up the socket the correct size. In this case, a 10mm. Hook in your wrench, and you always want to take the negative side off first, never the positive. You don't want anything to be grounded without power going to it. So you loosen that up. You don't need to take it all the way off, just enough to where you can remove the cable from the terminal, put it somewhere where it will not ground, preferably free floating. Next we move to our positive side, which in this case, not always, is a bigger size. So in this case I'm saying it's about a 13 or 14, or possibly a ½ inch, depending on what aftermarket terminal was used. So in this case, this is a ½ inch. So we connect our socket to our ratchet. Loosen it substantially. Move our terminal off, free float it, so it's not attaching or grounding out on anything. Carefully pull out our battery. Take her over here. Now this vehicle, this battery, we're going to measure by cold cranking amps, which in this case is 460 cold cranking amps at 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Now to use the capacitance tester, you connect positive to positive, negative to negative. Your tester will turn on. We're reading about 12.42 volts, so slightly below. We are out of vehicle. This is an automotive battery. It is a regular flooded. We're measuring in the standard of cold cranking amps, and we are 460. So you measure down until you get to the level you are looking for. In this case, we are 460. Enter. It'll test the battery based on its, in this case it is a good battery, putting out 426 cold cranking amps when it's supposed to be putting out 460 at 12.4 volts. So in this case, if this was a customer's battery, you would print, attach the printout to your report, and you'd be done. Colton Matthews at JTAC signing off.